If there is one thing that can get you more sales on your store right now, that is adding live chat to your store. In this video, I'll show you how to use live chat the right way on your online store. Let's go. But first off, what is live chat? Live chat is a small chat option that you add to your store so that your visitors can ask you questions directly, you can answer them and convert them to sales. And we at Dukaan highly recommend adding live chat to your store because we have seen that it helps improve your sales up to 82%. So how do you add live chat to your store and what are the things you can do with live chat to increase sales? To add live chat to your store, go to the plugin section on your Dukaan store. There you will see different third-party live chat integration options like Intercom, Drift, etc. As per your liking, you can add whichever service you like. Once activated, you will see that a live chat window will appear on your store. Now you can chat directly to visitors in your store. Now let's look at what you can do with live chat to get more sales in your store. That's what matters, right? Tip number 1, be human and answer your customers' questions always. Many times you might have seen that on websites there is a live chat window, but when you ask a question, you get an automated reply. That is not a good thing, correct? It means that nobody is there to talk to you and instead you are getting automated replies. Don't be like that store. Be human and always be there to answer your customers' questions. This makes a big impression on your customers and they are likely to become your customers in the future. Tip number 2, be quick to reply. And this is very, very important. Always reply quickly to your customers when they ask a question to you through live chat. Maybe that 3 seconds you take extra to reply will decide whether your customer will buy from your product or not. Any kind of delays to reply to your customers should be avoided, and for this, use live chat options like Intercom that will help you to chat quickly to your store visitors. Tip number 3, keep track of repeat questions. So after you implement live chat on your store, one thing you will notice is that many people will ask the same questions over and over to you. And you will get tired answering them. Like people will always ask you questions like where are you located, what is the price, when will you deliver, etc. So one tip to follow here is to keep ready answers to these questions that are often repeated. Keep them saved in your phone or computer so that when someone asks one of these questions, you can immediately answer by just copy pasting them or editing them in a quick way without typing it all over again. So such a small thing it is, but it'll help you in a very, very big way. Tip number 4 is be friendly and personal with your customers. One thing you should not be doing is sounding like a robot on live chat. Saying things like, hello visitor, dear valued customer, etc. Don't do that. Most live chat tools like Drift or Intercom allows you to ask the visitor's name and lets you address them by name. It sounds so much friendly and personal when someone calls you by name than valued customer, right? So keep doing that. Be friendly, personal, and talk like a real person. This creates a relationship with the customer, and that is all your business need, right? And now the final tip. Tip number 5. Always get the visitor's contact details through live chat. Be it their name, phone number, email address, etc. Get it and check back with them later as a courtesy. Did you find what you were looking for? What was the price? Was the price okay? Did you have any feedback for us? You could ask all these questions and it will only make the customer feel better and make them keep coming back to you. Like I said, be human, friendly, and solve the problems for your customers through live chat. Live chat is an excellent tool to drive more sales on your store, but just adding it is not going to help you much. Use it wisely and strike a relationship with your customers. It will surely translate to sales for sure. If you haven't added live chat to your store, do it today by going to the plugins section on your store and try it out. All the best. For more tips on making your Dukaan store better, subscribe to this channel and join our VIP group on Facebook. See you in another video soon.